Firstly, a very warm welcome to the first season by the dataFactory. Thanks for sharing the interest to learn. Season 1 is all about introducing you to the concepts and practical applications around SQL Server and Transact SQL. Consider this your first step into the data ecosystem. Roles within the data ecosystem can be among any of this, starting from data analyst, engineering, data science, to enabling ourselves to incubate solutions to complex real-world problems. Just these 4 prerequisites. First is interest to learn that you anyways have. Check for a working internet connection and do plan and block your time. Also, try and increase repetitions around concepts that you find difficult, cause difficult is something we don't do often. Hi, my name is Vicky. I will be your instructor, mentor, and partner on this journey. Feel free to reach out to the dataFactory at this email. Let's dive in and find out a detailed course plan on our next. Cheers!